Welcome to Okamsozor channel. Just 1 tablespoon of this mixture will boost your immune system, reduce body inflammation, swelling, and protect you from a long list of diseases. Let's start by slicing a piece of ginger. You can also use powdered ginger. Slice a half of a red onions. Red onions contain a large amount of antioxidants called anthocyanins. Slice 3 cloves of garlic. Raw garlic will provide allicin E, a sulfur compound with antimicrobial properties capable of reducing cholesterol and blood pressure. Pour half a liter of water in a pot, then add the ginger, red onions, and garlic, which we sliced earlier. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of black pepper and bring to boil on a high heat, after which you strain the mixture. Optional, you can add limes or lemons with honey into the mixture. Take 1 tablespoon of this mixture daily to prevent getting sick anymore, as your immune system will be strengthened and you will significantly reduce body inflammation, which will bring great benefit to your health and mood. Thanks so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more natural health. I'll see you in the next video.